What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Pepe coin is moving up in price. When I check Pepe coin price, good price. Pepe holders, thank y'all so much for tuning in, all the continued support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. My thesis still stands that Pepe is gonna be the biggest meme coin sender going into the bull cycle. And I'm not gonna fade some X's, okay? I'm not gonna fade no X's, right? Pepe is still brand new, never saw a bull market, got crazy price discovery, and previous cycles have shown that when a project has never seen a bull cycle, is new and came out around the end of the bear market to the start of the bull cycle, they perform the best, right? And that's why I think Pepe is gonna crush it. So of course I'm gonna have some exposure to Pepe. Of course. So Pepe fam, we can see some positive price action in Pepe today. If you owe Pepe, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family, guys. Help blow the videos up. Let's take over the space together. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in this space, because it is very risky and very volatile. So right now, Pepe is up 9.69%, trending on CMC, guys. Let's take a look. So right here is at 0136, $523 million in market cap right now, with $106 million in 24-hour trade volume. Like I stated in my previous videos, getting in Pepe just under the $500 million market cap helps for those upside gains, right? Now you'd already be up like what, 15%. When I was covering it all the way back here and like down here. I was like, yo, now's a nice entry for Pepe. So you'd be up around 36%, 30%, something like that, right? And this price action is gonna continue into the bull cycle. I know how a retail investor thinks. When I got into the space, you know, my first project was XRP, but when the meme coins started to pop off, I started to hear about all these meme coins. I was like, yeah, I see it, I saw it, I was FOMOing in. Got wrecked, made gains, got wrecked, made gains. And I'm gonna see the same thing here with Pepe. When new money starts to get into the space, we at 1 trillion in market cap, right? When we start to get to 2-3 trillion, there's 2x's, 3x's from here, and it's all new money start to come into the space. All of them gonna FOMO into Pepe. They don't care about no utility. Especially when they're new to crypto. They don't care about no utility, no technology, no use case. They'd be like, they come into the space, does it make me money? Oh, it does? Okay, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. They don't know about, they also don't know about, like, when new people get into the space, they don't know about like DeFi, like Uniswap, MetaMask Trust Wallet, swapping on Ethereum, all of that stuff. They don't know much about DeFi. So majority of them just gonna be buying on the tier 1 exchanges, right? Pepe gets that Coinbase listed in the future, which I think is inevitable. And Robinhood, it already got Binance, so a lot of people will buy off Binance. I think it's also on Kraken. Yep, Kraken, Gemini. Is it on crypto.com? It's on OKX, very nice. Okay, it's also on crypto.com. Awesome. So eventually you're gonna see that Coinbase listing for Pepe. And you know, bull cycle time, 100x, 200x, I wouldn't rule it out, man. 100x from here again, now it's gonna be $52 billion in market cap. 200x from here is gonna be like what, 122 billion or 1 or 2 billion, somewhere in that range, right? That's for 200x, right? And I'm telling you, I wouldn't rule that out for Pepe at all, guys. So Pepe holders, man, or if you don't have any Pepe, I would get some exposure. I would add it to my portfolio. Obviously, you got a diversified portfolio. You got great, strong altcoins. Toss some Pepe in there, okay? In my opinion. Because when the bull run comes, I'm about making people money on the channel, man. I'm turning down promos now because of y'all, man. You know how many people ask me for promos? I got one promo video recently and people already calling me out. I'm turning down promos. I'm going to point y'all to projects that I think will crush it for the bull run, right? That's what I cover on the channel, right? And if any video I make now, you know, whether it's top 10s, etc., it's all me, like no promos anymore, right? So I think exposure to Pepe is gonna make you some money. How much? Potentially 100x, potentially, okay? Because Shiba went to 50 billion. That's what I'm calling for Pepe from here, right? This market cap, 100x. Whatever you invested, times it by 100. That's the easiest way to do it. Whatever you have invested. Crypto for light, Pepe and Shiba are significantly ahead of Doge in terms of dynamics. Which meme coins do you hold? Pepe, Shiba, Doge. Okay, so we can see Shiba and Pepe breaking out together. Okay, pretty nice, interesting. It's very strange that when Bitcoin goes down, no one writes that it solved all your problem. When it starts to grow, everyone starts saying that don't worry about inflation, prices, loans, and the banking system. Bitcoin will solve everything. That is the question, is not in Bitcoin. The question is to make money on something that is growing and get more that will solve your problems. If you earn hundreds of thousands on Pepe, you don't need BTC. You need a new asset that you can use to make money and improve your life. And in my opinion, crypto for light, you got a point, right? But I think what we do with, honestly, the smartest thing to do in the space, make money on the altcoins and then store your wealth in Bitcoin, because that's what it's for, a store of value. You can't necessarily get rich off Bitcoin unless you already got a ton of money to like maybe 10. Can it 10x from here? Maybe, nah, you can't even 10x from here. 30,000 times, because I think Bitcoin is going to do like maybe let's say 150k this cycle. Let me be a bit more for Moon Boy, right? How much x's is that from 30,000? That's a 5x, right? Only if you already got like $1 million, you could 5x your $1 million. You got 10 mil, you could turn it to 50 mil, right? You could turn 1 mil to 5 mil, right? But you can't get rich off Bitcoin anymore, and that's just how it is, right? You can, however, use it as a store of value. When you already got a ton of money, you just store it in Bitcoin to opt out for whatever, you know, the government or the Fed wants to push on us, like CBDCs, etc. And then you use projects like Pepe to make you use projects like Pepe to get the wealth, right? Pepe fam, we also have an article right here. Mysterious investor adds 1.2 trillion Pepe in 24 hours. Whales are buying. Follow the money. Follow the money. The $1.6 million worth of Pepe has been bought in the last 24 hours. Etherscan data reveals that a newly emerged whale has accumulated $1.618 million through these separate transactions in the past 24 hours. A brand new Pepe whale. The whale embarked on an aggressive buying spree about 17 hours ago from press time, when it added a mere 1 million at 150. I guess they were testing it out to their portfolio in a single transaction. I guess they were testing it out with the 150. However, that was just an appetizer. A few hours later, the same wallet engaged in a monumental transaction with Wintermute Trading, a prominent global algorithmic market maker and high-frequency trading firm. This encounter resulted in an acquisition of 486 billion Pepe tokens valued at $608,000. The whales are buying, and if you want to become a whale, you swim in the sea where the whales are. Birds of a feather flock together. If you want to become a whale, swim in the sea where the whales are. Plasma, 376 new Pepe holders. Most influencers will have their own token in the future. Support will share success as the popularity grows. So, you know, there's another project that's launched around, you know, Pepe. Not going to mention the name or anything, but it's helping to increase the whole account of Pepe, which is great, and I love to see that. Kenobi, it's the weekend and Pepe is pumping. The goal line is in the middle. 1.4 is a key level. If we close a candle above that threshold, it's likely to push the top of the channel, right? We could see that breakout happening for Pepe, man. Nice stuff. Awesome. Absolutely bullish. From Chef Derek, Pepe having its regular scheduled weekend pump. Pump it. Pump it. Right? So we can see that move up here for Pepe. And, you know, it's super bullish. We're seeing that breakout. Like I said, I was covering it, you know, telling you to buy below 500 mil. And now you'd be up around 10 to 20%, 30%. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. E-flower, Pepe update. I see this kind of movement I show on the chart. Try to take a long position on the pullback. Other than that, another long position I would take would be if it falls slightly below the blue lines I mentioned in the last post. Besides the update, no confirmation, no short position. I try to point out in almost every post that you should look for confirmation in periods of such shallow movements. If you try to take a short position when the prices doesn't create a mitigation structure, the market will hurt you. So E-flower sounds like a great TA trader, leverage trader. He is putting in a long at these levels for Pepe because we could potentially see a 2x move from here at that 2.7 mark. Wow, nice, man. Very freaking nice. That's freaking awesome. Alright, man. Pepe holders, right? I'm telling you, get some exposure, right? Not financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, but forget all the other meme coins if you like meme coins, and get exposure to ones that will 80 to 90% make you money, right? You know, thank y'all so much for watching, Pepe fam. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up. Let's get to 10,000 views. Really appreciate all the support. Like I said, guys, can't thank y'all enough. Share with your friends and family. Catch y'all in the next one.